This is a great new world, and President Xi Jinping's 3 initiatives details the principles and operational processes, how these can be concretely done. The Global Security Initiative, the Global Development Initiative, and finally the Global Civilizational Initiative. All 3 of them will bring the world together.
Well, there's no doubt that President Xi is correct in identifying those 3 areas. All of them are critically important. As I said, in the case of energy, it's a critical issue. For decades we've had China can be of considerable assistance there. In the case of agriculture and agro-industry, Africa has enormous potential, not just South Africa, but the continent, in terms of the consumption and indeed the processing and export.
That's a huge area of opportunity for Africa to gain from the experience of China. It will help them grow in a number of ways. One is in terms of access to technology. It's also capacity building. It helps them access to a bigger market. So having a larger grouping of like-minded countries is going to be very beneficial to Africa.